Today I'll teach you how to easily convert hexadecimal numbers to binary. Once you understand this, you can convert any hex number in seconds. What is hexadecimal? Hexadecimal is a base 16 number system. It uses digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F. What is binary? Binary is a base 2 number system. It uses only 0 and 1. Each hex digit equal to 4 binary digits. Here is the table. Step-by-step conversion example. Example 1. Convert hexadecimal 2F to binary. Step 1. Split hex into individual digits. Find the binary digits for each individual numbers, as shown in above table. 2 can be, say, in binary 0010, and F can be, say, in binary 1111. Step 2. Combine the binary values. So 2F equals 00101111. That's it. Hex 2F becomes binary 00101111. Practice examples. Convert hexadecimal A3 to binary, hexadecimal 7C to binary, hexadecimal 1B to binary. Pause the video and try yourself. Recap. Each hex digit has 4 binary digits. Use the conversion table or memorize key values. Subscribe and comment your questions. Try converting hexadecimal 3E to binary and comment your answer. Fine.